As a newbie to the world of investing, the tricky part is figuring out what to invest in and how much. The questions I normally get are: how do I invest? What are some good investments? Or what's the best strategy? Our guide in this video will answer those questions and more. Before we get started, if you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel, and while you're at it, please smash that thumbs up button for me. I really would appreciate it. Now, let's get right into it. Here's what you should know to start investing. First, get started investing as early as possible. Investing as a young adult is one of the most important things you can do to prepare for your future. Always try to begin with building up an emergency fund. How much should you save? Emergency fund is critical to prepare and build a reliable one to avoid letting unexpected expenses lead you down the path to financial ruin. Make your savings automatic by splitting a portion of your direct deposit into a savings account or money market account. Continuously contribute to your fund regularly and build it up over time. For example, put longer-term savings in a CD. Or begin investing through an employer-sponsored tax-advantaged retirement plan can benefit from decades of compound interest earnings. And constantly, keep saving after reaching your goal. Investing at a young age is the best decision one can take in his or her life. Saving for retirement from the age of 20s rather than the age of 40s is always a better idea. Early age investments increase the probability of reaching financial stability at a young age. Second, start a side hustle to boost your income. Your work for the day will help you pay for the basics. You might remember that you barely have anything left when you measure the cost of rent, food, bills, and transportation. But start a side hustle to make a couple extra $100 or $1,000 a month can make a difference in your pocket while giving you the independence that you've always wanted. How to develop a successful side hustle. While you may have many interests and hobbies outside of work, it is wise to turn those to side hustle. Highlight your skills, qualities, or values. For example, if you're good in writing, you can make this one of the best side hustles to grow your income. Freelance writing is a broad field that can encompass a number of different jobs, such as ghostwriting, blog posts, or marketing campaigns. Always remember, the secret to succeeding as a freelance writer is to charge clients based on the value you'll bring. Since you're trading time for money, you're capped at how much you can make. However, if you're just starting out, you might want to focus on building your portfolio and skill set on Fiverr or Upwork. Freelance writing is one of those side hustle ideas that can either make you a lot of money. However, there are too many other ideas for doing a side hustle, such as sell your photography, become a virtual assistant, or even become an affiliate marketer. So, have fun with it. A side hustle is your best opportunity to live life on your own terms. There's nothing stopping you from making your dreams come true. Third, choose the right investments. The key to do the successful investment is to choose the right investments approach. For example, pick the types of investments that match your risk tolerance. Give your money time to grow and compound. Here are some investments ideas. First, invest in defensive investments. Consider defensive investments. That provides consistent dividends and stable earnings regardless of the state of the overall stock market. Next, invest in target date fund. The portfolios aim to provide investors with an optimal level of return and risk, based solely on the target date. Investors typically choose the fund with the name closest to the date they plan to retire. It is an investment fund that automatically changes the direction of your investments from high risk, high reward to low risk, low reward options as you near retirement. Then, invest in commodities. Mostly, commodities serve as a defense against economic inflation. You can buy commodities in the form of futures contracts and ETFs, as well as indirectly through stocks and mutual funds. Broadly speaking, it would be prudent for those who have just recently joined the investment game to stick to ETFs and mutual funds, as they provide security through indices and competent management. In general, commodities rise in value alongside inflation, which increases their value in an investment portfolio. Lastly, consider using micro-investing apps. Micro-investing is a great starting point. It's applications that allow beginner investor to regularly save small sums of money. Micro-investing platforms encourage people to invest even if they have limited incomes and assets. Many micro-investing platforms let you select a small list of funds or construct your portfolio for you. At the end, over time, a few dollars here and there can add up. Bottom line: investing grows your wealth, helping you meet your financial goals and increasing your purchasing power over time. Investing is important, but it can be hard to scrape together enough cash to get started. But it can be surprisingly affordable even if you don't have a lot of money. Knowing this in advance can help you choose the right way to invest your money. It's a wise decision to let that money work for you. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss a single video.